Barn find, guys. Still though, this is original police wiring. We got peaches and cream. What more could you ask for? Just needs a little TLC. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and today we are introducing a new project car to the channel. You actually have probably seen this car before if you've been watching for a while. I'm out here at Fox Mustang Restoration. You can see those are all the FoxBodies in the background here, and of course their van. And that's Peaches, okay? And Peaches is going up for auction soon. But Peaches runs and drives. This is an SSP automatic car. Peaches is pretty sweet. You can see it's pretty much done. But they have, what do you need besides Peaches? What else do you need besides Peaches? Well, you need cream. And cream is right over there. It's another SSP. Actually, I've got footage of us getting it into the shop here. So I'm gonna insert that clip right here. Yeah, but as you can see, cream is in here. What they're doing today is they are just tearing it all apart, all the interior, cleaning it out, basically. It's a barn find. It's a barn find FoxBody, and you know, has some stuff inside. Obviously, they're cleaning it up, but it is an original SSP. And right now, Matt and Della are tearing it down. I'm gonna show you guys some of that in the time lapse. It's another car on the channel that's gonna be rebuilt. So we've got Peaches and cream, and this is just gonna be fun. Get to see this car kind of built somewhat on the channel. I'll check into it from time to time, update you guys on what's going on. But another SSP, another automatic SSP. And I believe it has the roll bar too. I don't know, maybe I already took that out. Nope, there it is, got the roll bar. All the Georgia State Troopers had that roll bar installed in them, and at least most of the ones I know about. And so yeah, it's another auto. I don't know why there's more autos there. The FHPs are more manuals, but yeah, tearing it all down today. And it will also be at Foxtoberfest. This video might go up after that, but we'll see. So guys, here's the laptop stand out of the SSP, and these are all the parts we're pulling out right now. So Matt's got some extra pieces over here, but most of this did come off of the SSP, as you can see by the acorns. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Original police parts. You can actually see on this one too, where the automatic, I guess the shift cover, they had some sort of equipment in here. Notice the 3 holes there. Yeah, tearing it down. Nice. Oh, only 3.
Yeah.
I feel like mine had more.
Yeah, it does. This is a basic radio,
okay,
not the premium.
All right.
It's also, there's no cassette.
No cassette yet, yeah.
That's the difference.
Yeah.
This is a base AM FM.
You know, there's a new show about out with a FoxBody where the cassette just keeps playing over and over because it's stuck. It's called Stumptown. but it's not an original radio. It's, you know, some aftermarket cassette deck. So,
all right, well, there's your problem. It's aftermarket.
Yeah, exactly. guys, the carpet's ready to come out.
I gotta pick that up.
Just kidding.
One of those wrenches is a nice size for that.
Okay. Oh yeah. Not that one. It's a big one. Carpet is out. Look at that carpet. It's not too bad, really.
Oh, it's a bit nice.
Oh, really? This was underneath, guys. Oh, it faded? They just faded some water damage?
It did, but this isn't a bold sheet.
Okay. Crunchy.
Yeah, what a super clean floor pan. Holy crap.
Yeah, there's not, like where's the rust?
All right, so you know, on SSPs,
they had those additional plates welded to them or riveted to them for the seat reinforcement.
Oh, really?
You can see that right there.
Yeah, I got one over here too. Okay.
Yep, and this one has the ZV number, which I believe designates it as an SSP part. I think the blue silicone original hose numbers are that as well. E6 SV.
Cool.
But yeah, a little dirty, but other than that, I mean, not a speck
No,
of
it's
rust
clean.
anywhere.
A little bit. No, these are nails.
Oh, that's the old nails that were rust. Oh, yeah.
Maybe a tiny bit.
A little tiny bit right there, but other
Nothing.
than that,
No
super
problem.
clean.
Yeah.
Cool
Sweet.
deal.
Barn find, guys. Barn find looking good. Just needs a little TLC. Check out their Instagram. They post on that all the time. Fox Resto. Link will be up here on the screen, about right here. As you guys know, tearing this car apart, but check this out. So you can see it goes up here where they probably had, I don't know, do you think it plugged into the white too?
Yeah, that probably did the siren and the light.
And the light up top? Yeah, because I know it's going right across towards the middle.
We'll look up on top of the roof.
Yep.
Right there's the mount. That's what the whole, it looks like the base is still there. That's why there's a bump. They just got it covered with tape so it doesn't leak water.
Ah, very cool.
Because typically,
okay.
like Florida, the one I'm most familiar with,
Yeah.
all the cars that they ordered came in the Jacksonville. They were all processed through Jacksonville
Really?
and then distributed to the different, you know, the different units.
Yeah, municipalities and all that. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Still, though, this is original police wiring in the car, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, we'll just leave that in there. We'll just tuck it back behind.
Yeah, no sense in taking it out. Yeah, that's where they found it too, was behind on the quarter. You know, what you'd actually do is actually hook it back up. All right, so vacuumed out. Looking pretty good. I still can't get over these floor pans. Looks a lot better. And the car will be at Foxtoberfest. Actually, I'm filming this before Foxtoberfest, but this is pretty sure this is gonna come out after Foxtoberfest. So hopefully you got to check the car out there if you were there. But you are gonna see a lot more of it on the channel, and eventually it's gonna be for sale. So yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool. You got peaches and cream. I mean, peaches and cream. What more could you ask for? Anyway, this was very different from my normal videos, just a lot more time lapse, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe. That helps me out a lot. I do upload 2 times a week, every Sunday and Wednesday, and we'll see you next time on Gearhead 704.